your artwork has won the second prize in the senior division, and that comes with an award of $2,000.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Oh, I'm gonna cry.
Maybe, Natalia, you can tell us why you chose the subject you did, Pankhurst, Emmeline Pankhurst, which is a great subject, by the way.
I came across her Freedom or Death speech 1 year ago. I read it, and it was such an inspirational speech. What was most inspirational about her was that how she never gave up, and how she fought even though she was arrested 3 times and she had to go on a hunger strike and risk her health and life. And that's really inspiring. And she taught me that I should never give up and stand up for what I believe in. And yeah, that's what I liked most about her.